PowerPoint presentation. So let's talk about database management system. So one is SQL. So structured query language. That is a programming language that's used for relational database management system types of codes. It is the most widely implemented database language. Next is MySQL. So it's an open source relational database that runs on all virtual platforms, include Unix, Linux, and the Windows. In a wide range of applications, MySQL is associated with a web application. Next is Microsoft SQL. This is a server that is include a relational database that support wide variety transactions of processing a business intelligence and analytics. Next is network model. So that is a flexibility way to presenting the objects and their relationship to distinguish features is the schemas and view as a graph of any types of nodes and relationship types. Next is object database that is managed by an object-oriented database management system or ODVMS is a programming language and enable data in the object model and that use a large number for memory indexes. Next is a hierarchical database. That is a data model which up data to organize a tree-like structures that use a standard method. Hierarchical database just represent is just like a tree form that relationship between record is one to many. Next is documented database. It is easy for the developers stores and query the data. In a database management, using documents, form models is it used in their application code that is works well. The use for catalogs, user profile, and the content management system. Next is oriented database. This is an alternative implementation to a relational model. The combination of relational features that is concurrency, transaction, and recovery with object-oriented principles results an object-oriented database model. Next is database design. Database design that is used for to describe many different types of parts of a database system. They are crucial components telecommunication system, banking system, and video games to adjust about the software system to maintain some amount of data. Next is database modeling. This data model are collecting data of a concept to describe a structure of database. Various level of a abstraction collecting information about a business, requirements from a stakeholders for specifying data retrieval and data updating.